Well, I'm joined in the studio now by Dr. Giulio Cesareo, the Chief Executive of Directa Plus. Giulio, good to see you. Thanks very much.
Nice to see you.
I know you've had your results out this morning, but this is the first chance we've actually had to have a chat in the studio. So look, tell me a little bit more. Directa Plus, what's your focus? What do you do?
I founded this company 12 years ago with 3 Americans. The idea was to design a system to produce graphene in a sustainable way, in a simple way, and in a scalable way. And we achieved this. And we also decide to approach the market in a counterintuitive way, tackling the existing market, not as the normal high-tech startup that are focused on the sexy future market like lithium-ion batteries or fuel cells.
What's the benefit for people not too sure of using graphene? What does it allow?
The benefits are several. Graphene is an enabling material, can go everywhere. We are focusing ourselves on the thermal, on the electrical benefits, on the ability of this material to be bacteriostatic, the ability to increase mechanical properties, and the incredible property of a special product that we name Graphisorber to decontaminate water from hydrocarbons.
In terms of examples of how this works, can you give us a textile example, a tire example? How's it used? Who's using it?
Absolutely. Let's start with tires, because we started in this arena to check the validity of our business model, because in tires is the area where the nanomaterial are present since many years with carbon black. We work with Vittoria, which is a leading company in bicycle tires, and we were able to substitute carbon black to change the recipe of Vittoria and get a product with special properties, mainly the ability to reduce the rolling resistance, but to maintain a very high grip. So Vittoria now is selling, is marketing tires that they call intelligent tires, that are very hard when they are rolling, but they are soft when you're braking.
And they were used at the Brazil Olympics.
Has been used at the Brazilian Olympics. They won 4 medals, 2 gold and 2 silver, and also one was in piste and free on the road.
So that's impressive. As far as textile is concerned, I know the French ski teams had some involvement there?
Yes, the French ski team is using the downhill suit made by Colmar. That has been tested in the wind tunnel of Polytechnic of Milano and is performing better than any other textile. Of course, you have to be a very good skier to win a downhill competition, but they did very well during the entire season. We will continue to support Colmar next year. Colmar launched last year a capsule collection with 4 pieces with inside a thermal circuit with our material. And this year at East Point Munich, they launched a new collection with 14 pieces. So we are really growing in this area. We also signed 2 joint development agreements with very large textile producers. And we are negotiating a 3rd one with one of the largest worldwide producer in textile.
So plenty happening, exciting applications here. Before we look too much further ahead, let's take a look at 2016, as I alluded to before you've had your results out this morning. Revenue increased by 89%. That's impressive. Are you happy?
We are very happy, but despite that, we faced also an issue and a problem due to the fact that both in textile and environmental, despite the product was very well designed and ready to perform in a proper way, we have been involved inside the entire value chain to support other actors, because in the case of textile, the paste used to print had some quality problems, so we supported the company that was producing paste that was a mix of our material with some polymer to redesign properly the recipe. And we also worked with the printing company in order to adjust the rolling system to the properties of our material. And this obliged us to postpone the expected revenues for 2017 to 2018. Same situation, different scenario in the environmental arena, where despite Graphisorbent has been tested by top oil and gas company and certified, is performing very well. We design and produce a mobile decontamination unit in order to be able to move the production close to where the problem is. We have been involved with engineering company in designing also the equipment that is going to use our material inside. And it took us almost 1 year. The prototype is ready, and we are ready to test in the field and scale it up.
So what's the focus here for you? Just remind us, what are you looking at for the rest of this year? It's an exciting sector you're involved in. What are you hoping to achieve?
The goal is really to continue the successful track with key customer. We move from 7 to 16 active customers. We want to sign joint development agreement with big players on a worldwide basis, and we would like to confirm to the market that this postponement was, driven by a learning curve that is normal in an high-tech company, but the business model of Directa is still based on very solid roots.
Absolutely. Giulio, really good to see you. Thanks very much.
Nice to see you. Thanks to you.